Direct Joey, you said yes. You're next. Yay!
Go direct.
Ikaw na ko.
Pasensya na kayo sa itsura kung mukha akong babarilin sa loob. Good evening. There's a statement that I told Ricky Dabao noon. The moment I see you holding the microphone in any party, I'm standing up and leaving. Mainly because I know until the end of the evening, he will never give up that effing microphone. He's going to sing his heart out. Okay. I met Ricky not on a movie set. I met Ricky in the corridors of the CCP when he was a theater actor in Bulwagan, Gantimbang. Those were the years when the late Tony Espejo had all these, virgin plays, and Ricky was there for Mona Reyes and Forest Park and so many other plays. And I remember yung mga una kong enkwentro kay Ricky, hindi sa movie set, kundi sa canteen ng CCP. Ito yung Ricky Dabao na una kong nakilala. He was a dancer. Okay? He was an actor who really wanted to improve his craft and took his craft seriously. There are three things that I precisely treasure about Ricky. First and foremost is that he took his job seriously. And by taking his job seriously, he never flaunted it to people to prove his superiority. Si Ricky kasi collaborator on the set. Si Ricky collaborator on the set. And what I remember most about Ricky are two movies that we made together which are extremely opposite from one another. I posted this in Facebook because I was looking for it in YouTube when I found out that Ricky has left us. Minsan na may isang puso, which is one of the films which is closest to my heart. Ang character doon ni Ricky is this foul-mouthed, bitter panadero who is trying to compensate for a destroyed life and finding hope in a young Carlo Aquino. That movie would not have worked if it were not for Ricky. I remember Mother and I were bashing our heads on the wall, trying to figure out who would do that. And then, sabi, let's take the risk, let's try Ricky Dabao. And I never realized that Ricky really took it seriously, even down to the point kung paano magmasa ng pandesal. It's this kind of dedication, which is not hypocritical or trying to prove I'm pro, but because he takes the jobs and the responsibilities given to him seriously. And what is important is that he is very infectious in the set. Dahil sa kanyang professionalismo, makikita mo na he demands as much from his fellow actors, and more so when he became a director. Secondly, what I remember most about Ricky, my God, he's such a good friend. He is such a good friend. I agree with you, Luis. Wala siyang masamang tinapay for anybody. I would go on ranting and raving about my personal life, cursing my exes, who Ricky knew, but Ricky would never say anything against that person. Instead, Ricky showed compassion. Ricky tried to understand the situation, but he would never be judgmental of other people. And that nowadays is a very rare quality. That is very rare. Why is he a good friend? Alam niyo, pinag-uusapan lang ito ng isang kaibigan. Last year, around the first week of July, my best friend died. Okay? Manny Castaneda. Iilan lang ang pumunta sa burol niya. Iilan lang sa show business ang pumunta sa burol niya. Yun lamang mga sobrang malapit sa kanya. Durog na durog yung puso ko dahil yung kababata ko namatay. At ang laki ng gulat ko, ang isang unang taong nandoon ay si Ricky Dabao. And I said, my God, Ricky has such a big heart to understand the pain that people go through. Most especially the situations in which my best friend died. One of my later memories of Ricky was that he was singing in Mother Lily's wake. And that was just the second week of July. And at that point, we knew that something was wrong, but we did not know how bad it was. It was only lately when we found out that it was bad. I'll be honest with you. Alan Jonas told me that maybe it was about time for me to go to the hospital and see Ricky and say my goodbyes. But I didn't have the courage to do so. Maybe because I would rather remember Ricky, who was always laughing and singing, Ricky, who was always supportive of people, rather than to see him in a sad state. And then finally, you know what? There are great actors. There are terrific thespians. You can have so many trophies up your shelf. But Ricky's biggest trophy is that what he will be remembered for is that he was a good human being, which is more important than talent, more important than wealth, more important than popularity. What is the proof? Ricky, tignan mo, ang dami ng tao dito. Mas maraming tao dito kaysa sa sinihan. Ricky, you're a box office hit because you are a good human being. And I will never forget the fact that you were a friend. No, it's not that you were a friend, you are a friend. Because for you, you value your friendship more than anything. In conclusion, what I remember most about Ricky, he wanted to make people happy. He was always supportive of people, and he would never deprive people of his smile, his laughter, even his song. As I said in my shout out in Facebook, right now he's up there in heaven with Tita Pilita. Naghahanap yun ng mikropono para kantahan ang lahat sa lahat. So Ricky, thank you very much for being a part of everyone's life here. Ricky, thank you for living a life which is more than just the trophies of acting, but for being a good example of what it is to be a true child of God. Thank you.